definitely not going anywhere today. Hey, I was digging in the snow and look what I found.
What did you find?
It's my car. Hi everybody, I'm Tim Kiley. I am a resident of Crestline, California, as well as Assistant News Director at KESQ in Palm Springs. I wanted to acknowledge that today has been 6 months since the blizzard of 2023 hit the San Bernardino Mountains.
Oh my gosh!
Many members of my community were disappointed in the County of San Bernardino's response to this disaster. After the dust settled, the county had their first supervisors meeting, and I watched with great interest to see what kind of accountability and responsibility the county would show.
I pledge allegiance to the flag.
I was hoping that San Bernardino County would take responsibility for a slow response, admit that they were ill-prepared and overwhelmed. I did not get that impression after watching the supervisors meeting. I then started to try and do some follow-up stories. In a chain of emails, I wanted to talk to CEO Leonard Hernandez and Chair Don Rowe. We went back and forth with the PIO of San Bernardino, who eventually said that they would not be speaking to us. I was disappointed in that, but I still wanted to get to the bottom of the questions that I had. So I filed a bunch of Freedom of Information Act requests trying to get documents and information that would explain a little bit more about the county's response. This has been difficult. It's been slow to get the information that I've asked for. I'm still waiting for a large chunk of information, but I do have some. And so I wanted to share one of the things that I got a response to. During that supervisors meeting, CEO Leonard Hernandez showed a video applauding the response of the county and showing appreciation for first responders and their hard work.
Good morning, Madam Chair, members of the board. We do have a video we'd like to play. I'd like to provide a quick update on the recent storms, and we'll start with the video and then I'll make some comments.
Our mountain communities, we understand the nature of this emergency and how it is impacting our residents. Plowing of the roads is continuing 24/7. We have thrown all of our assets at this. It is our number one priority.
I want to be clear that I am not upset with first responders in any way, shape, or form. I have great respect for the hard work that they did, but it is clear that the county was not prepared for what was going to happen. The video that was shown really did not acknowledge how long it took to get help up to the mountains. It really just showed a happy and immediate response. So one of my questions was, when and where were each of these pieces of video taken that were shown in this video? So I added this information to the video. I'm going to play it for you, and basically it shows where and when each of the pieces of video were shot.
Our mountain communities, we understand the nature of this emergency and how it is impacting our residents. Plowing of the roads is continuing 24/7. We have thrown all of our assets at this. It is our number one priority to get our residents the food, the medicine, and access that they need.
In one of my email responses from the PIO, David Wirt, he wondered why so many people thought that there was a lack of response and he just didn't understand. I think this video shows that there was a slow response. I also have a lot of information that I requested, including hundreds of pages, showing the location of the county's snowplows throughout the blizzard. I just wanted to acknowledge the 6-month anniversary of the blizzard and let you know that a bigger story is coming. We've been working hard on it, but it has taken a long time to get the documents that we need to get a complete picture of the county's response. Since then, we were hit by Tropical Storm Hillary, the impacts of which were not as bad in the San Bernardino Mountains as they were in the Coachella Valley. But I think we've seen that the county had a much more robust communication system and response to the tropical storm than it did to the blizzard. I don't know if lessons were learned or if any changes were made. I'm trying to find that out as well. I hope everyone is safe, and as always, look out for your neighbors. It's the best way to help each other out during a disaster, is to have neighbors helping neighbors. There is more to come on this, and I look forward to sharing that with you in the near future. Take care.